3/31/23. Happens right. It's 10:34 p.m. Watch. I only got a few minutes left on this, but you need to see this. There it is. That's undeniable, man. I don't care. Everybody can argue all they want, but let's go down a little bit on the trees too so that it focuses. One flashes here in the middle, right there. One flashes, and then one responds up in here, and man, that's a lot of lights. That ain't no little fucking drone or something, some kid's toy out there. This is ridiculous. I've had this going on for a year now, and I've not seen much happen to... I need a thermal camera, you know? You guys need to help me get a thermal camera here. Let's get a really good one. Alright. Thanks for watching. Make sure you share this with people. You know? I mean, it's obvious. So, I'll let you see it one more time here. Alright. Thanks for watching.